Upper West region.
Right.
Now the speech in about 40-minute speech. No kasano no say cabinet to prioritize dualization of Accra Kumase, Accra Takrade.
Are they too strong to say that?
And Accra Aflao Accra Flower Rose under the Big Push infrastructure program. Once this is some big push. The big push is just say Ghana infrastructure Kewura don't move no Mississippi account.
Right.
Now all kasano no say budget we no match 14 billion cedis.
Okay.
Now what good news for contractors let's say under the big push, you know, so your contractor, your man contract now will cost site, you 15% mobilization.
Right.
The TN say or contract someone, you the 50% be matter for one half a cost site. We also na submit certificate here check na bibia yoka 2 weeks ebe tu amount. It's not something you made there. Now go kwade ba ko amesuane say and the Biamecano.
Sure.
It is not because I'm intelligent than anybody, that's why I'm here.
Definitely.
It's an opportunity I have.
Sure.
To be telling them, so my main course to be. And as I call baby a drown, so for free.
Yeah.
For cancer tray. To council may a prioritize dualization was an expressway a crack masano. Not trendy.
Yeah.
Now, what me and I'm so. Yena Google na edusua de.
Yeah.
Akokwa emia tram ezo eyibia timi na mse den expressway. And akokwa brofo dem am say dem say den an urban motorway.
Okay.
It was highlighting motorway na so na ma men click motorway no so. Na me ni share from atwefo meche. Say den na motor den na ma person dey akra kuma se kwan ne ye. Kwa akokwa ekum nipa. In fact to show your road statistics the N6 highway na akra kuma se highway no. E say a trans-African route ni e chere say Burkina, Mali, o me ya landlocked countries kura epo na ho. Omu ni port no me yi omu niam kra. Ba bi omu de fa kese eye kuma se. Enti ye kwan na hia accident nsu si a na ehu so.
Yeah.
Na kokwa me click motorway no na define ma me say. O say a dual carriageway road designed for fast traffic with relatively few places for joining or leaving. Takwa Mahama so be take Accra Kumasi kwan say e kwa 7 hours 6 hours no about 2 hours 30 minutes.
We can.
To kan am expressway and I'm say Kenya ye bi. September 2020 Kenya ye expressway. It wa winim expressway no branch ref and Facebook page na be bi. Akokwa brofo kakra kan ni duwa karanya tie ne say mienu kwa mienu ba. Enkoko de ni bi. Mienu kwa mienu ba. Omudu ba bi akro ha omutimi ye interchange because akokwa expressway na America na ye de ko. America no so. Enti o ba bi a community was no mo ye bi e fa ni interchange sanya wa tag junction no. Na nipa na fa soro.
Uduru anu afa so.
Uduru afa so. Sanya wo me fa from na kan kobo. Oba Kenya say net starting in September 2020.
This is beautiful.
It is saying it here Kenya Expressway. What's akokwa definition no essay. Or see a dual carriageway designed for fast traffic with relatively fewer places for joining or leaving. And the akokwa be a udua joining ni bini. So mo joining expressway no. Obi so onu so be leaving expressway no. It's the definition of the man no sure any Kenya Expressway na say no correct.
Yeah.
Eti mi wie na me pick me source bi. Ohun sa me throw Facebook. Sa me upload the Prez Mahama for no sending me yibi. Or say, good morning Eugene, on your post on dualization of Kumasi Road. I had a conversation with one of the directors at the highway ministry and said it's not like they are going to discard the existing bypass under construction for a new one. Or say bypass be I started the dano and yes Mahama ebeja ho.
Okay.
Because me post na me ofe me na me ka say ken kokko to anyinam. Anasa nyinam tu nkokko na no na me tumi Accra Kumasi asep mo nyi ne yi. No for solar street light and maso. To who post no sending way. And also say but improve the original plans for them to be upgraded into an expressway. Then the untouched sections will be constructed as an expressway instead of normal dualization to meet the ones ongoing. Etines and a trend say interchanges bebem. Ekwan ye be fix ne anya no bypasses na mirikati mi abaso na Accra Kumasi na ye 2 hours 30 minutes.
Na wo GH Express no nam portfolio no nam kwan a eche say express be no express.
Yes. Na kwakwati wie nam say bypass papa ne kan ye den January 4 2024 graphic online. Or say construction work on 4 major bypasses at Konongo and Yinem Osino and Yinesin. And I call the Biamaka between Accra Kumasi Road, Prez Makon Ejuma Pan Kufo.
Yeah, sure. Shall say.
And Sarema Peja Kufo. In fact, gang of 6 Sumudiano Kufo ne best started. Oshe Kumasi Konongo 46 kilometers no Kufo. In fact, Oshe Fumeswa Kufo. Kufo na ye most of the dualization nkoko Kufo. He's done well. Mills about betua, so I think Mills time can movie most of project Akufo into so beautiful. Now go 4 bypasses any. And no be na oh ye nyanda na me bo pro de Akufo adoni abisi. They be me ka say what on kodo in America. Akokwa data de a fact. And a fact na a fact akokwa wo ye ne massage ne san ya no kre. 4 bypasses say koso. In fact, Madam Fubi or 2 seen on my feedback so which video class and them. I'm antem come the cherem.
Okay.
We answer.
Okay.
I was say construction works are progressing steadily on 4 major bypass at Konongo.
Right.
And you know, Osino any scene. So I talk what crap to major traffic areas any. And the yes our bypasses way. Bypass no Osino on 11.6 kilometers.
Oh, okay.
And you know, the 6.1 kilometers. And you know, see the 10.6 kilometers. And a Konongu the 13.5 kilometers. In fact, last time I'm driving to Kufuria and Kochebi. Me Kokodian. Ubedu Odumasia. Once on Kokodian or Hosa. I got what my evidence when these are my evidence. Ebini Moyeno. It is a President Mahama say a continuation according to the director of highways and source or they catch a beautiful because government is a continuum. And a quantity roadways are important. It's a trade the commerce. Asante ready ye did Japan. Ye did ja. Into Bama Yamwa Harrying. I'm yet near the journey. Again, a coqua never was ever once accident to Samba Bafum. A coqua Nahinia what say in some bypass and send some cocoa bypass or accident to see. And say my peja, na hinia what is see. By the way, Kofonso na your fanko of fanko and some of fanko, and on your reconstruction, you move in the traffic cabano. Yes. Na hinia what is a bypass, a BSida. It's a ben say bobompa na 2 ko na 2 ba, 2 ko na 2 ba. And now for na Krekuma soon will be bones and what say there be. Kokwa desert to construction in India started. But baby, I ain't touchy, you know. And a bay expressway, there's a quan, a bay, my bay speed lanes.
Yeah.
Near the interchanges at Tutu. At the Senate, and the Krakuma say a bomb pie, a baby bit to say, be safe.
To save time.
Yes, and there be a quite crowd by a very resinic kakra.
Sure.
Send your communities better near you soon. The minimum the modalities.
A drew crumwa.
Yes.
A drew baby any power be brave.
Yes.
Crumwa.
Yes.
Near pigeon.
Near pigeon.
Sebeya, ubinko farmer car mono.
Yes.
A speed ramps no crown say a sequine.
Yes.
Say speed ramps ye walk.
It be a buffy papa.
It will be drew only a mountain of fedger too.
Yes. So community, the road for the community national said they speed in the corner. No, ma, they work with some young maybe rope. Nobody has some kind of
car. I think so. Say no, it will help. Na crashes are hold way cosonate me. But then obi the comment to be able say in Cocoa bypass na started 2012 no crane, but Cocoa bypass started 2007 15 kilometers. You can Google. It was rather completed in 2014. And dumbbells me say dualization. Say no that time I remember na in foot no mon shedem.
Yes. Yeah, it started 2007. Kofo. I remember for those who like this fact. 2002, and Kwame Nkrumah said to Achimotano, and it's because Tamakofo buy, right? That was when these trade and commerce na prominent pioneer. So he did a lot of work. And it's not true and Cocoa bypass started 2012. No, it was rather 2007.
Right.
Yes, 2007 year 2014.
Okay.
Rather. Yes. No.
Okay.
My third submission.
Yeah. Fine.